Let's review numbers 1 through 30. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, veinte, veintiuno, veintidós, veintitrés, veinticuatro, veinticinco, veintiséis, veintisiete, veintiocho, veintinueve, treinta. Now let's learn the months. Enero, January. Febrero, February. Marzo, March. Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, August. September, September. Octubre, October. November, November. December, December. Now let's learn about the time. So how do you ask what time is it in Spanish? Well, to ask this question, you would say, ¿Qué hora es? What hour is it? Or, what is the time? There are two ways to state the time in Spanish. One way is using E. E equals and. For example, you could say, Son las 2:20. This means it is 2:20 or 2:20. Another example could be Son las 5:19. It is 5:19 or 5:19. Another way is using menos. Menos equals minus. An example is Son las 2:05. It is 2 minus 5. 2 hours minus 5 minutes would mean the time is 1:55. Another example is Son las 4:29. It is 4 minus 29. This means 4 hours minus 29 minutes, which the time would be 3:31. Now we are going to learn the date. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Means, what is the date today? To say the date, you would say SL, the number, day, which means of, and the month. It is the number of what month. The number always goes before the month. Here are some examples. L es for de septiembre. This means it is the 4th of September. SL 29 de octubre means it is the 29th of October.
For this example, the hour hand is on the 2 and the minute is on the 15. So how you would read this would be Son las 2:15. And what that means, it is 2 and 15 minutes. Or you could just say it's 2:15. In this example, the hour hand is almost on the 3 and the minute hand is on the 50. So how you would say this would be Son las 3 menos 10, which means 3 minus 10. And in English, it pretty much means it is 2:50. On this clock, the hour hand is on the 6 and the minute is on the 12. So how you would say this would be Son las 6. Or in English, it's just saying it is 6.
To answer ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy?, which means what is the date today, you would say, based on this calendar, SL 14 de agosto, which means it is the 14th of August. For this calendar, you would answer what is the date today with SL 3 de abril, which means it is the 3rd of April. To answer what is the date today for this calendar, you would say SL 18 de julio, which means it is the 18th of July.